All right, folks, so we got the top sirloin going tonight. Get this done. Gonna cook it with a little bit of rice, and we're gonna be all good. Later, folks. Well, all right, folks, that's looking about done for me. And all right, folks, there we go. You got your top sirloin, and believe it or not, though it doesn't look like it, that is jasmine rice. But I couldn't help, but I didn't clean the pan. All them nice crispy glazed stuff from the steak were there, and I cooked the rice right in that. And I'll tell you what, this is awesome. So we're gonna chow down later, folks. And look at this guy behind me, folks. No matter how many times I tell him, don't worry, you're gonna get some. He's gotta come and check it out. You're gonna get some, big boy. Don't worry, you're gonna get some, big guy. Well, all right, folk. Chilling in the Jolly Roger. It is raining out. I made it just in time with the steak, getting the steak cooked and everything. And then it started raining. I was able to eat everything, get everything clean and put away. And then it started coming down pretty good. It's also getting down to about 29 tonight, so it's going to be cold. So I got the buddy heater and I got the crate over there. I'm going to put the buddy heater on the crate over here and have it ready. So in the morning when we wake up, I can just reach over, turn that bad boy on, get it nice and toasty in here before we get up and I get dressed and all that cool stuff to start the day. So, got the old lantern hanging up for light because it's pretty dark out right now. But yeah, gonna get this set up and I'll spin it around and let you see what it's like. So, there we go, folks. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining like crazy outside. It started up again. So, there's the buddy heater on, and that is on low. Then you have the medium. And then, of course, boom, you have the high where you can put both of them on. And I never use that on the big buddies. I don't even use the medium. This is like having just a regular buddy on high. And I always just keep it on low. That gives plenty of heat in the van. So anyways, that's how I have it set up. It's just on a milk crate, and it sits right by the bed. And like I said, in the morning, I'll reach over, turn her on, let it heat up for a while, get it warm, and then get ready. Well, folks, one of the little ones flew in here. Now I got to help him get out. Hold on, little buddy. Come on, little guy. You got to go over here. Come on, I got the window open for you. Go over there. There you go. And Butchie, big old mean bully. Poor little guy was sitting over here, and Butchie got at him. I had to yell at Butchie, no! And then he ran to the back, but we got the little guy out. All right, folks, so now this guy stopped up. We got a one-legged starling. He is bouncing around and doing the best he can to get his food. Well, all right, folks, so I took Butchie for his morning walk and noticed that during the wind last night, some wires fell over here. So, gotta watch that, go around this. But I went and I brought Butchie back to the van because I don't know if it goes to this house or what, but anyways, I brought Butchie back to the van after that. He did his business, and once I got there, I forgot that I needed to go and get some creamer for coffee. I ran out of creamer yesterday, so over to the store to get creamer. Catch you later, folk. When there's trouble on Liberty Street, wires are down in the road. Who you gonna call upon? Tito, the maintenance man. The maintenance blood in him kicks in, and he's got to hold the street down. Tito used to be the maintenance man of the building over here, so every time there's a problem, he goes out there and has to tackle the problem, so I bust his balls about the maintenance blood always coming out. Always. Go ahead, big guy. There you go. Yeah, I thought you'd like that. Well, all right, folks, so I'm going to get this one out. I meant to put this video up yesterday, and I didn't get around to it. Finally doing it today. nothing going on. Just I got some hamburger in here that I've been meaning to cook for the past 2 days. I don't want it to go bad, so plenty of ice. It's been cold out, so the ice is staying real good. So I got a couple of these little pizzas, cooking those up today, and I'm making those burgers, and that's gonna be it for the day. So anyways, till next time, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.